Hello, power users. Today we're going to be taking a look at the range field and the checkbox and radio field control features in Glue. These two modules will let you take your Elementor form game to the next level. Let's take a look at the form we've prepared. We have two types of sliders provided by the range field, an amount slider and a range slider. Just below, we have a radio field that you can see has been aligned in a very deliberate structure. Remember to toggle on these two features in your Glue settings dashboard first. Let's go take a look at the Elementor editor. We have three fields. The first is the amount field, which is a range field. Down here, we have the controls for this range field. Responsive width and steps, with steps representing the amount the slider moves by within the minimum and maximum numbers, which we find up here. You can toggle on the range option, which will make this field work like the one just to its side. Then scale and tooltip options, which will highlight the selected value, and the labels for the track values. Styling options for the range field include active and inactive track colors, tooltip colors, pointer colors, for each of these, a border color option. We can also resize the handles and align them vertically, since resizing them changes their position. Finally, we have the track height. Down here in the form we have the checkbox and radio field control. In this case, the field is a simple radio field in which we've added some placeholder options. At the bottom of the settings we have the option to enable custom columns, which is when checkbox and radio field control comes into play. Once this is enabled, we can go to the Style tab and find checkbox and radio field control, where we can set the number of columns, which we can set to whatever we want, and we can then adjust the vertical and horizontal gaps. Thank you for watching. We'd love to invite you to try these two features, along with the other 90+ that Glue offers, at demo.gloo.ooo. See you in the next tutorial.